Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to switch users and change your PlayStation account to a different one on your PS5. And you can do this two different ways. So on the home screen you can go up to your profile right here, select this icon, and then you can go to switch users, or you can go to log out right here. The other way is by pressing the PlayStation button, scroll on over to your icon right here, select this, then you can go to switch users or log out. So if you go to switch users right here, you can go to a different account. It says you'll take over the previous user's accessories, aka their controller, and whatever headset they have attached, and they'll be logged out. So let's go to my main account right here, and then type in my new passcode, and then I'm going to be logged in, and my previous account is going to be logged out now. So I can go in and start playing. Now if we press the PlayStation button and then go to our account right here, and we go to log out, this is going to log everyone out, and we're going to be bumped back to the original PlayStation screen where we have to press the PS button on the controller, and then we have to choose an account from here. So it's just a little bit different, but it's going to get you to the same place with a few extra steps. One thing I like about this, doing it this way, I can go to the account, press options on it, and then I have the option to appear offline when I sign in. So if I want to just play a single player game and I don't want my friends to see me come online, I can just go to appear offline, and then I won't get any game invites or anything like that, or party invites. So very stealth. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.